Let me say that again. Listen very carefully. If there had been any other way for God to save man, Jesus would never have gone to the cross. You say, where's your biblical evidence for this? It's exactly what Jesus prayed in the Garden of Gethsemane, right before he was crucified. Speaking of the cross, he said, Father, if it's possible, let this cup pass from me. But you know what? The Father did not answer that prayer. He did not let that cup pass. Do you know why? Because it was not possible. It was not possible for salvation to come any other way. It was not possible for us to be forgiven in any other way. It was not possible for God to reconcile man to himself, to give us new hearts, to make us into a new creation, to get heaven into us and to get us to heaven. It was not possible any other way except through the cross. And that means, my friend, it's not possible for you to be saved any other way than through the cross. If Jesus had to go to the cross, then you have to go through the cross. There is no other way of salvation. Every other way of salvation, it is impossible. But with God, all things are possible. Salvation comes down to this. It's choice between what is with man and what is with God. With man, we find nothing but a capsized boat, a world full of impossible situations, sickness, death, murder, sorrow, hatred, misery. Some are sinking faster than others, but they're all sinking. It would be easier for you to bathe an elephant in a thimble than it would be for you to save yourself. With man, that is impossible. But with God, there is a solution. With God, there is an antidote. With God, there is an answer. With God, there is a Savior, and his name is Jesus.